Last video, I talked a little bit about why OraCare makes an excellent rinse for perio patients. So if you haven't seen that and you're interested in it, you can just go back one video and watch that. But I did want to touch on why it makes an excellent rinse for patients with gingivitis. As dental hygienists, we really are preventative specialists, and that's our focus. Not only are we trying to prevent decay and things like that, but we want to prevent the periodontal disease from starting to begin with. I don't know about you, but it makes me really sad the amount of adult patients in the United States that have periodontal disease of some form. While this disease is multifactorial and systemic factors come into play and everything like that, home care and hygiene are a huge part of this. I do think that having something that is simple for patients to use every day that is highly effective can actually benefit them long term and be a preventative thing as well. I personally would love to see less adult patients with periodontal disease in the future. I think that would be amazing, and because this disease can be prevented, I don't see why we can't start recommending better products for our patients. Now, is a rinse going to completely prevent this disease? Of course not. But I do think it can improve a patient's home care and their overall health in their mouth. Just think about that patient that comes in every 6 months, has, a decent home care routine, maybe skips flossing every now and then, and every time you see them, there's a little bit of inflammation, but it's this slow process where, for years and years, they were a gingivitis patient, and then you see them and you're starting to see that radiographic bone loss, that crestal change in the bone starting to happen. And it's because of this ongoing inflammation that isn't being managed at home. That bacteria isn't being killed effectively. They're not flossing in an effective manner, and you're trying everything else. You're doing laser, you're, going over OHI. I think OraCare could be, that missing piece of the puzzle to help prevent the disease from progressing to perio in the first place. And our patients are always asking for recommendations. I think they want to do well, and this is something easy and effective that they can implement every day. So if you're wanting to learn more about OraCare, you can head to the link in our bio.